Hi, this is Daniel Dituro. Do you have squeeze bottles that leak more contents than they dispense? The problem with these inexpensive dispensers are coarse threads that don't provide a watertight seal. One solution I found is wrapping the threads with PTFE tape. Yes, it's the same tape used by plumbers to prevent water leaks. All you have to do is wrap the tape clockwise 2 to 3 turns around the bottle threads. After you've wrapped the threads, tear the tape by pulling on it or cutting using scissors. I found 2 turns of PTFE tape on this bottle was enough to stop it from leaking. This fix will stop most screw cap leaks. To keep the bottle from leaking, you need to replace the tape every time you wash and refill the bottle. For squeeze bottles that don't come with a sealing cap, I prevent evaporation or oxidation by capping the bottle with a liquor pour spout cover. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.